This is what is going on, guys. It's Kid Woody here, Woody HE, and we're doing another RTAKC cam, and we are with some star members, and we're with Tin Brandy. Say what's up, guys, and we gotta clear out Texas. So wait, let me see who's in the lobby first. That would, because I want to be like Rain. Okay, so this connection. Okay, and we lost 2 people. I mean, 1 person. Amazing.
What? I got kicked out. Am I on your team, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I cannot be host. All I know is I'm gonna have horrible host just because I have my computer. Okay.
Well, you live in California, don't you?
Yeah.
Some could be fun. Whoever lives in Canada, you're screwed.
New match.
Dude, there's only 2 people alive, Brandy, and it's me and you.
Gun down.
Brandy, have you noticed we're the only ones alive?
Yes.
I had the select fire on burst.
Brandy's like a really good fish over here.
Yeah, I think Brandy's fish out. He looks pretty good.
Brandy's not too bad.
Why didn't any of you guys spawn in?
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Step up.
It barely let me spawn in. If you got a big booty.
If Varial hits a shot, you have to dislike the video.
Yeah, okay, guys. If Ariel hits a shot, you have to dislike the video. You have to.
And go subscribe to Star
Defend the
Sniping.
objective.
No, you're gonna have to unsubscribe for Starstruck Sniping if you subscribe to it if Ariel hits a shot.
Jeez, bro.
No, not. I'm actually 12.
3/4.
Ah.
No.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
Go on.
Last.
Last. This fucking faggot again, dude. I fucking hate this kid so much.
Oh, he's in their catwalk. Oh no, he's in their catwalk. Oh, he's on train.
Yo, you guys are chasing me. He's down at train bay.
I had to make that noise, sorry. What is he doing?
Oh, he's down. Where'd he go?
What is he
No,
doing?
he's like in the fucking.
Time's almost up.
What is he doing? All I know is he's acting retarded.
What? Who is that? You just start baking him. Wait your turn, bitch. You don't fucking go running in front of me.
Gun down. Stand by.
Okay, probably. Killing this. Oh god.
Down.
I'm pretty sure he's gonna plant. Oh yeah, he's not planting.
I'm dry. New match.
My accuracy is horrible.
Ready for the next round. Search and destroy.
Sad.
Dude, can't wait
Defend
for
the
my
objectives.
shot and you're gonna have fucking like 50 dislikes in the video.
Hey, that's actually good. Then 50 people are actually watching my videos.
Yeah, if I hit a fucking
Red
shot,
XC or
everyone's
XC.
gonna fucking dislike in your videos today.
Transitioning.
Yeah, if you hit freaking like 12 shots, everyone's just liking. Nope.
Dropped it.
Axis C.
Gun down.
Ecstasy.
Stand by.
For one, guys. Get Aaron last again. That was great. Actually, I'm dead. Oh my god, no, I'm dead. Dude, dead, yo.
I was in that building. I let him die. Yeah, I let him die. I just freaking looked at the enemy for like 3 seconds and I just ran.
Last.
Down. And dude, he's so pissed.
He is. I can imagine him just
Screaming like, "Why?"
Oh, he's in their catwalk.
What do you mean? He's on train.
No, he's on our. Yeah, he's on
Yeah. Yeah.
anything control room. Oh, he's up. Hey,
Uh,
if I hit you also have to this.
It's too close.
no, Brandy hits. You gotta like it. What about if I hit? I hit. Unsubscribe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Real stuff. Yeah. Brandy, 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 Brandy.
Brandy, let's go, you. Oh, Brandy, Brandy. Dislike the video, dislike the video, dislike the video, dislike the video, dislike the video. Subscribe to Star Fox 19. Oh.
Search and destroy.
Let's go, Brandy.
Bang, bang. Let's go, Brandy.
Let's go.
Clear the
Let's go.
objective.
Like you did.
Hey, wait. Oh yeah, dude. I said if, dude, I called it. I said if Brandy hits a shot, you all have to like it. And then when he went for a shot, he hit it.
It was like a stop and start in the kill cam. It looked weird, but it was sick.
Because
Did he just catch one shot?
Charges dropped.
That was actually.
That's another kill.
Ariel's mad though.
We got the bomb.
Pretty, yeah, he's in our spawn. But I literally keep on thinking your name is photosynthesis.
Stitched him up.
My name is photosynthesis. My name is not. My name is... Keep that Aaron guy alive. He's just like freaking... I don't want to say dumb since like I want to be nice to him, but like he's just acting strange, okay? I should have freaking unmuted him. I didn't meet Redux.
What the hell is all these people?
Probably camping at B or something. I literally forgot B is a bomb.
Time's almost up.
Want me to plant?
Reload.
You don't want to get down to like 10 seconds.
I'll plant right now just because just so they can get to A. That was weird. It didn't let me plant.
Bomb online.
There we go.
All others are dead. It's up to you.
What? No! No!
Shut up. Hostile with weapon.
UAV
I never knew that was wall
What was your
bangable.
reaction? That was great.
I never knew that wasn't wall bangable. Look at this. I was just trying to kill him.
Eyes on target.
I didn't know. I didn't know it was freaking wall bangable.
Well, the gun spreads. The bullets.
Like your mom's
Search and
legs.
destroy.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Oh my god. That was not bad. Not bad. I'll give you that. I'll give you that.
Eliminate the objectives.
That was great. That was
Friendly
a little rough,
UAV
but,
inbound.
Like how? Yeah. Since my friend said that about a week ago, and then
Reloading.
Is he in catwalk? Over here by me. They're both guys here. A and A room. I need some help, dude. They're both. Oh, one's in A room.
Actually, you're not in freaking red, kid. Stop fanboying. Or fangirling, as I should say. Axley. I don't even know how to pronounce his name. All I know is I'm checking the red roster right now while I'm recording. So yeah. We all know you're fake. Let's see other fake red members you have on your friends list. You have Red Gandhi with an L or a 1, whatever. We got Red Rio. Resi NV fake, obviously. Sorsui. Solar is my dad. Obviously fake. So yeah. It's been Saw Trust here. I'm out. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get so much hate for the fans that actually watch my videos that are fans of Saw Trust. I'm gonna kinda get some hate. Oh, you hit a floater! 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 You hit on the train! You landed on the train! You landed on the freaking train! You landed on the freaking train! You landed on the freaking train!
I'm not using that, dude. That was screw up. I screwed up.
That was funny, but you landed on the train.
Brought the pain. Time to get paid.
Oh my god. Let's go, boy. Let's go. You hit the fucking train thing, Randy. Wait, can you stop me?
Yeah, I know. Hold up.